Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of softball gear with a review of what many consider the best softball bag rolling in the market, the Easton Game Ready Backpack Equipment Bag. If you're a softball player or a parent of one, stick around because this might just be the perfect gear bag for you. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at the features of this backpack. The Easton Game Ready Backpack is designed with convenience and functionality in mind. Made from durable materials, this bag is built to last through seasons of practices and games. First up, we have the spacious main compartment. It's large enough to accommodate all your essential gear, including a batting helmet, glove, balls, and more. Say goodbye to cramming everything into a tiny bag. But wait, there's more. On the sides, you'll find mesh pockets perfect for storing bats or water bottles. It's all about easy access and organization with this backpack. And check out this front pocket. It's great for keeping personal items separate from your game gear. No more rummaging around trying to find your keys or phone. Now, let's talk comfort. Carrying all your gear can be a hassle, but not with the Easton Game Ready Backpack. The padded back and shoulder straps make it comfortable to carry, even on long game days. Plus, it comes with a handy gear clip and fence hook, so you can easily hang it up and keep your gear off the ground during games. So, what's the verdict? In my opinion, the Easton Game Ready Backpack Equipment Bag ticks all the boxes for softball players. It's durable, spacious, and designed with player convenience in mind. That's all for today's review. If you're in the market for a new softball bag rolling, definitely consider giving the Easton Game Ready Backpack a try. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the latest gear and gadgets. See you next time.